What is restorative sleep? Restorative sleep is the type of sleep that allows us to repair and restore our physical and mental energy. It refers to those deep, restful hours of quality sleep needed for our bodies to perform optimally. During restorative sleep, we enter a state of deep relaxation and rejuvenation that can improve memory, concentration, mood, and overall health. During deep sleep, your body is working hard to regenerate tissue and bone, build muscle mass, detoxify, as well as fortify your immune system. When you're getting enough quality restorative sleep each night, your body goes through several stages. From light sleep, where you may be semi-conscious but still aware of your surroundings, to deep sleep, also known as slow wave or delta sleep, when your brain functions at its lowest metabolic rate. Finally, to REM sleep, rapid eye movement, stage where dreaming takes place. This stage is a critical stage for memory, learning, and cognition. It's in these deep levels of sleep that restoration and healing occurs. You need these levels of sleep to carry out daily functions as well. If you wake up in the morning not feeling refreshed, even though you slept the recommended number of hours, chances are your sleep was non-restorative. If this happens frequently, an intervention is needed, or the likelihood for developing acute and chronic health conditions increases sharply. If you are on a weight loss or any type of healing journey or detox process, proper sleep is monumental. There are lots of factors that can disrupt a regular sleep cycle, like shift work, having small kids, caring for someone else, anxiety, chronic pain, certain medications or drugs, stress, lack of exercise, environmental conditions like temperature and light, artificial chemicals in the environment or food, such as dyes and artificial sweeteners, and foods like caffeine, alcohol, high fat, and sugar foods, especially processed foods, spicy meals, and acidic foods. It is well documented that a diet high in added sugar, refined grains, and foods with a high glycemic index can be detrimental to sleep quality. This could be attributed to several factors. So eating high glycemic index foods can result in drastic fluctuations of your blood sugar, setting off hormones such as adrenaline, cortisol, and growth hormone. These hormonal surges can cause feelings of tension, ravenousness, and irritability. Research indicates that having lower blood sugar levels can be beneficial for sleep quality. Conversely, consuming a high glycemic meal may initially make you feel drowsy. However, the associated hormone alterations caused by elevated insulin could cause an interruption in your beauty sleep later on in the night. Consuming diets with high glycemic foods can also trigger inflammatory responses in the body and cause disturbances in beneficial intestinal bacteria, contributing to poor sleep. So what do? Seek help from a healthcare professional, practice good sleep hygiene, eat healthy, nutritious whole foods, fruits, vegetables, stay hydrated, work with a practitioner to heal your gut microbiome and get your lymphatic system working properly. For myself, I take an organic concentrated cherry juice at bedtime that helps me get into restorative sleep. If you want more information or help in this area, reach out directly to me and I can hook you up with the support that you need.